morning to all the participants. We are starting this session. So, dear participants, in today's sessions, we will discuss about different resources and repositories for research. In addition to that, we will see different aspects of intellectual property, copyrights, patents, how to go for book publication, as all of you are academicians, by which way, by which resources we can go for publication of our content. And along with that, we will discuss about key perspectives related to content transformation. And in content transformation, lots of things, lots of concepts there like plagiarism, how to remove plagiarism, self-plagiarism, by which way we can cite our own work. So many things. So depending upon availability of time, we will cover different aspects. So in this session, in very first session, we will discuss about different resources. In next session after the break, we will cover how to create an effective CV, how to use AI-based tools for curriculum vitae that we call as professional biodata. Okay, so in this particular session, we are having multiple segments in different domains. So we will shift on different domains quickly after covering the content, because lots of things available. You might have seen that in research, there are lots of perspectives, lots of segments, and in each and every segment, there are lots of repositories, resources. So very first segment, very first category of research resources that we are covering today is preprint servers. Preprint servers for research. So all of these links I have already given in this presentation. One by one, I will open these links. I will explain how to use these servers, how to use these platforms for research-based applications. Okay, so my screen is already in sharing mode. ARXIV. Is it visible to all? Is this visible to all participants?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ARXIV. Okay, first of all, we are discussing about preprint servers. What is difference between preprint server and a classical publication platform? As a researcher, as an academician, you also might be publishing your research papers in different journals. Generally, we explore journals like IEEE, Taylor Francis, Springer, ACM. But when we work on some particular domain, and it becomes very challenging, specifically for new researchers, for new research scholars, how to check which domain is very, very novel, which domain is new in a particular theme. For example, you are working on machine learning. If somebody is working on machine learning, whether it is supervised, unsupervised, or reinforcement learning, then there are very common comments by DRC or RDC panel that lots of things are already done. What new you will do? What is new in machine learning? Okay, what is new in generative AI? If you are working on superconductivity or algebra, what is new? Already work, already lots of work is already done. So how to verify, how to check recent resources? So preprint server for that domain to analyze very recent research work, we can go for this portal ARXIV from Cornell University. This is preprint platform, preprint server for multiple applications, not only computer science, mathematics, in multiple domains. For example, you are from education or economics, and you want to see what is going on in this particular domain. For example, you are working on machine learning. Those here you will get those results and those research papers which are yet to be published in good journals. Actually, what happens, you might have seen, for example, I am downloading some paper from IEEE portal. Okay, it is very recent, May 2024. Very latest research paper we have downloaded from T&F, from IEEE, and we feel very satisfied that we are citing very new work. But actually what happens, and you are also aware with this fact, that if a research paper is published now in current month in SCI or Scopus journal, obviously its work was done around 1 year back or 1.5 year back. Even you also might have experienced, if you are sending one very good research paper in very good journal, it takes 1 year or 1.5 year or around 2 years genuinely for good publication. So whosoever is reading that paper, you can imagine which type of work or what about novelty of work that is being analyzed. But if we are going through different research resources which are on preprint servers like ARXIV, BioRxiv, these are the papers, these are documents, from these portals you will get results which are not published, which are not available on any research platform. Okay, for example, I am working on some domain, I have taken some good results. Before sending to any journal, before sending to any Scopus, SCI or Web of Science, I want to protect it. For protection of my results, what I will do, I will send that particular paper to ARXIV. I will publish it on ARXIV. Okay, results are mine, and in that particular case, what will be the benefit? First of all, I will get citations. I will be able to receive different comments from multiple researchers in similar domain. If you are working in biological domain, pharmacology, pharmaceuticals, or biological segments, in that case you can go for BioRxiv. I think you might be understanding what I mean to say with preprint servers. So what is preprint server? That particular platform or those platforms from where you will get research papers and results on very new, very novel domains. Researchers who are currently working on different algorithms, on different techniques. You can see that when this paper is submitted, 30th May 2024. Okay, very latest paper. But if you will see this date in IEEE journal, in ACM journal, this particular date will be around 1 year back, because after so many reviews, after so many comments, authors keep on changing that particular document, and 6 months, 1 year, 2 years it takes. So whatever paper we are reading from IEEE now, even recently published, you can imagine, you can you can think that paper as a movie that is prepared or that is shot 1 year ago but released now. Okay, but here you will get all very latest papers. So you can see 30th May. Not only this particular domain, if on some other domain, for example, you are working on PCB electronic circuits. So I want to see, so this one, very latest work as preprint format, in preprint format. So you can see solderless PCB. So you might be knowing better about this particular domain if you are working on this. And when this paper was submitted, so 1 month ago, 2 months ago, and one more benefit is there. Generally, on different research portals, we get papers in PDF formats. I want to take a research paper, I want to take a research document with its LaTeX format that we call as latex. Okay, so you can see, for example, I want to take its latex format or LaTeX that we call as solderless PCB. So one is PDF variant. I want to see this document. This is PDF. So it will be it is available on almost every platform, and you can see that there is no need of any subscription, no need to create account on ARXIV. Simply in anonymous mode you can navigate to different results. So this document is now opening, and you will see that it will be visible as author proof. So this is the document, and if I am working in this domain, I can check which type of research work is being done by other researchers in same area, rather than relying on only published papers. These are unpublished. These are not published on any journal. Okay, these are available only on preprint servers. So by this way, by analyzing this, I will be able to get idea about those research areas which are under development. So for example, I want to take LaTeX format, LaTeX script of this paper. So you can see source and download source. Okay. So its LaTeX file will be downloaded. Now I can extract it. Simply extract, and you can see that this paper is available in LaTeX format. Otherwise, research papers are not available on journals in LaTeX format. But here from ARXIV, I will be able to get this. So if you want to take, so this paper is of IEEE transactions. Okay, IEEE transactions, and this template I can simply adopt. If you want to take papers, preprint documents related to biology, related to pharmacy, for that you can see this is the platform BioRxiv. Okay, BioRxiv and MedRxiv. BioRxiv, MedRxiv, and for every paper you will get its LaTeX variant. Okay, so simply click on other, and you will click on download source, and after that you will be able to get paper. So you can see that each and every image, you might have seen that in good research journals, images and tables are asked separately. So here also each and every image is given separately. Okay, so this one, for example, you are working on this domain, arthritis, diabetic disease. Okay, so when this paper is posted 29th May 2024, it means if I want to explore new areas, research new areas related to a particular domain, I should go for this particular portal. Okay, BioRxiv, MedRxiv, and ARXIV. In ARXIV also you will get access to different repositories. For example, in mathematics, you are working on optimization, okay, optimization and control. You want to see those papers which are recently submitted. So today is 31st May. Okay, so papers which are submitted today rather than those papers which are submitted in 2023 and published now. So what is use of that? So we are not saying that we should not refer to those papers. We should refer those papers, but not to 100%. Okay, to get idea about those research works which are under development, which are in consideration in different research labs, we can explore those from ARXIV. Okay, so you can see all of these papers. I want to see those papers which are submitted yesterday.
I have a question here.
Yes, sir, please.
Like I want to know, can authors directly upload their like submitted documents, or they come only through the publication houses?
They can directly submit the papers on to ARXIV. It is Cornell University, it is open repository, and you can publish it. You can directly submit it. Actually, these are with permission of authors. These are not taken by some unknown sources. These are with permission of authors. For example, you are working on some particular domain and you have taken some results. Before sending to some SCI or Scopus journal, you want to publish those papers to preprint journals for protection of your results. Okay, and you can directly upload them on ARXIV. You can submit it. Simply you can create login and you can submit your paper. It will be reviewed and it will be available for open access. Okay. And now one more question may arise that if we are uploading our paper here, if we are submitting our papers here, in that case, what about plagiarism? If in upcoming time we will send our paper to some journal, whether it will be in plagiarism or not. Okay, whatever document, whatever paper we are submitting to ARXIV, self-published, self-submitted, it will not be considered under plagiarism. Okay, it will not be covered under plagiarism. So no need to worry about that fact that we have published here, we have uploaded or submitted to ARXIV or BioRxiv, and in future there will be issue of self plagiarism. Okay, because these platforms are available for that purpose only, for protection of idea and for dissemination of idea. Okay, so are you getting this point? Is this clear to all of you? In medical domain, in biological domain, meta RxiV, bio RxiV, otherwise in engineering and science domains, in engineering, science, humanities, management, commerce, statistics, you can go for ARXIV. Okay.
So authors can publish or submit their documents which are not publishable, like they are not being accepted anywhere, and even then they can submit here. Is
Yes,
that
sir.
possible?
Yes, sir. That can also be published here. Or if they think that their work is quite significant, even then. So not only rejected work, even if you think that your work is significant, your work is very good in results, you can submit here. So it will be beneficial for other researchers also. Actually, it will act as a community, as a research community, and many other authors, many other researchers will communicate with you about your results, about your findings, and you will be having a good uh, association with research experts throughout the world.
Sir, Gaurav sir, am I audible?
Yes, please.
Sir, after publication in this preprint journal, we can
Ji.
publish in other journals like Scopus Index or reputed journals.
Yes, sir, definitely. Yes, sir, definitely. So that is why we are saying that anywhere you can submit.
But
Okay, if
these
you
journals,
will go through.
But these print journals are not Scopus indexed, if I'm not wrong.
No, no, these are not Scopus indexed. Actually, these are research publication platforms, but it is only for protection of your results, for distribution of your results, for distribution of your idea. To distribute your idea, you want to assist other people, you want to. So I think you might be everybody in this session might be aware with researchgate, with academia. Okay, so many platforms available. Researchgate is very very popular. Why we do not upload our paper on researchgate? Because as far as researchgate is concerned, it is indexed with different plagiarism software. Whatever document you are uploading, whatever link you are submitting to researchgate or academia, it will be linked with uh, different plagiarism software. But as far as preprint servers are concerned, it is very well known that it is only for protection of your ideas, it is only for dissemination of your idea, so that other researchers in other scholars in this domain can get benefit.
So one other question arises here,
Yes,
like if
yes,
someone, like if I myself submit a very good work of mine on
yes.
this, and to protect my idea obviously, but due to these AI tools which have come up now, somebody can download it from there and rewrite everything, they can modify, and then they can publish their like this paper as their idea. Is that
Yes,
possible?
yes, sir, it is possible. So we can't say that it is not possible, because nowadays you might have seen Chat GPT, Gemini, Bing, Copilot, so many AI chatbots there, and they are fetching data from here and there. They are fetching data without permission of author. So there might be possibility. Okay, but if I tell you very frankly how to use this particular tool, how to use these platforms for reading the documents, okay, for reading other works. So I'm not suggesting, I do not suggest anybody to upload your research work. However, other people are doing it. But to be more cautious, to be more defensive, it is better not never to upload your work on such platforms, because the all of these platforms are open access. We should explore these platforms only for getting idea about our work, only to get idea about similar research work. Okay, uh, as far as the same thing we always suggest, same thing we always say in case of plagiarism software. Many times, uh, specifically new researchers, even experienced researchers also perform this thing. For example, I have written one abstract. Okay, what we do in general, we check whether this abstract is plagiarized or not. We upload it to plagiarism, to copyscape, or turn it in here and there. uh, Plagiarism is 5%, we feel satisfied. Okay, after that we write introduction, then we check introduction and abstract in combined. So we keep on checking plagiarism again and again. That is very very dangerous, because repeatedly we are uploading our content to some platform, whether it is genuine or not genuine. Okay, because there is a very thin line between genuineness and ingenuineness. We don't know from where they are getting data, from where Chat GPT, Gemini is collecting data. If you have gone through the news, there are so many legal suits, there are so many court cases on Chat GPT, on OpenAI, that they have taken data from Gmail, they have taken data from Google Drives. So in general, what we do, even I think most of the people do, for example, a pin of our credit card, net banking password, so we save it in a file and upload on Google Drive, we upload on Dropbox, and we feel satisfied. Okay, anytime we can access our credit card number or pin. Okay, but Chat GPT, Google Gemini, we don't know whether they are accessing it is or not. They are having access to open access platforms. Okay, even credential based platforms are getting accessed. So as far as ARXIV, bio RXIV, med RXIV are concerned, you can explore these platforms, you can use these platforms only for literature review, only for getting idea about new research work. For example, we our scholars are not getting some idea what to do in this particular domain, so they can explore this platform. For example, in quantum computing, in quantum cosmology, they need some new idea. Okay, so simply access different portals, access different research papers, and get idea. Not to upload your research work, not to upload your synopsis, never upload your thesis or your research paper that is under consideration. Okay, are you getting this point?
Yes,
This
yes, yes, sir.
only for reading others work. Okay, only for reading others work. So whatever we are, so to whatever way we are getting worried that our work will be copied, somebody else will take it and they will paraphrase it. You might have seen that paraphrasing is possible, spinning is possible. When we will submit the paper, before that somebody else will submit that paper and those results will be published. But those results will be published, those papers, that content will be published only when we will upload it here. But we are not uploading it, we are only downloading it. Okay, so in very straightforward way, if I say that we should use these platforms only for downloading content, not for uploading. Okay, so you can explore it. So these links I have given in this presentation, each and every screenshot I have taken, so that you can go through it. Now, one platform we are covering here, another platform, that is consensus, AI based search engine. Artificial intelligence based search engine for literature analysis, for getting documents related to a specific domain. AI search engine for research. Now, what is difference between consensus.app and Google Scholar? In Google Scholar or in traditional search engines, what is common thing by which way content is searched? For example, I want to see only those research papers which are having association of machine learning with generative AI and its applications in health sciences. This feature is directly not available in Google Scholar. Okay, in Google Scholar we can go for keyword based searching. In Scopus also, in other portals also. So PLOS is also available. Creative Commons, PLOS. In all of these platforms, keyword based searching is done. Keyword based means whatever keyword I am sending, whatever word I have submitted, depending upon that it will give me results. I need a research repository that is AI based. So this one is PLOS. This one consensus. Conclusion with machine learning in arthritis. Only those research papers will be extracted which are pinpoint to that particular prompt I have written. So use of machine learning in osteoarthritis research. So this one you can see that what I have written. If I will enter this in Google Scholar, you will see what which type of results I will get. You can see machine learning in rheumatology approaches in the clinic. So you can see we are getting haphazard results. It is searching machine learning separately. It is searching machine learning and not very pinpoint documents. But here you can see that very pinpoint documents, very pinpoint research papers we are able to extract. So you can see machine learning based knowledge discovery in arthritis related registry data. In same way, integration of LSTM in blockchain with astronomy. Okay, so we can sign in with our classical Gmail account. We can sign in and get some results, AI based results. So you can see that this one. So astronomy, long short-term memory, LSTM, and so you can see this paper is highly cited. I want to see this document and which type of sample size is taken, what is methodology, population, outcomes. In yesterday's session also we have discussed one platform that is also AI based, typeset. Okay, typeset and consensus.app, both of these are artificial intelligence based. Any of these you can use. As far as size space or typeset is concerned, you can use paraphrasing also. Okay, you can integrate paraphrasing. So whatever content you are extracting, you can paraphrase. Paraphrase means you can remove plagiarism. Whatever content is available, it will change its language. Okay, or literature review, ask questions on PDF, extract data, or paraphrasing. So whatever document you have uploaded, and so you can see abstract, explain abstract in 2 lines. Earlier it was SciSpace and now it is typeset.io. What are the results? State of the art results using Copilot. Okay, using Copilot AI chatbot. So state of the art results. If you want to question, if you want to query a document, if you want to ask from a particular PDF, ask questions from PDF, you can use SciSpace typeset. If you want to only extract research documents, in that case, simply you can go for consensus.app. Both of these are freely available. Okay, as far as functionalities are concerned, more functionalities available in SciSpace. Okay, paraphraser, whatever content you have extracted, for example, this particular content, and we want to paraphrase it. Within SciSpace, you will get paraphraser. This one is paraphraser, and so you can see this one is actual content. This article introduced a unified framework. This manuscript presents a cohesive framework. So language is modified to some extent. If you want to change the content, you can use. And as far as AI plagiarism is concerned, it is not extracted by AI plagiarism checkers. Okay, it is humanizing your text. You can see that humanizing your text. What is meaning of humanizing text? If you will use Quillbot, you can see that you might be using Quillbot, Spinbot. If you will paraphrase your content in Quillbot, you will be caught in 100% AI plagiarism. 0% plagiarism, but 100% AI plagiarism. But if you will use size space typeset, in that case, it will humanize your text. Humanize your text means it will give human flavor, human touch to your content. It will not use haphazard words or casual keywords so that it will be avoided by AI detectors. Okay, so you can use these platforms. So these links I have given in this presentation, you can explore. All of these links I have given in presentation, screenshots, so that you will be able to explore it. Now, dear participants, I'm covering another tool, artificial intelligence based tool for research analytics, that is u.com. u.com, completely free. And it is merger of different AI chatbots. It is mixed flavor. It will give you mixed experience from different AI chatbots. You can see GPT-4 is available. Research flavor is there. If I want to write some research article, research paper, I will click on research. It will give me that content which will be related to that specific segment. Creative, genius. So which model I want to use? I want to use GPT-4o or Meta Llama. You might have seen that each and every company, each and every organization is having its own model. Google is using Gemini 1, 1.0, 1.5 Pro. Okay, Meta is having Llama, Cloud, GPT-4. So which version I want to use? Which variant I want to use for my content? Okay, 200 words with recent, with some data and news on financial crisis and inflation globally. We will see what it will generate. So you can see this one, this particular content. If I want to see whether it is plagiarized or not, it is not plagiarized, it is not highlighted, only some words are available. No, exactly, it is not highlighted. In research, researching, you can see that. Click on, I have clicked on research. Now it will research, it will extract data from different research portals. It is taking data from JP Morgan, from Reuters, that is top news agency, IMF, International Monetary Funds. Okay, and after getting data from multiple, you can see that it is taking very latest data 2024 because I have clicked on research. So if I'm writing some article, if I'm writing some content related to economic growth, inflation, and it is giving me citations also, you can see number one, number two from unctad.org. So I have clicked on research. So it is taking data from multiple research agencies rather than haphazard content. So you can see that this one, 2024, and it is giving me this particular data. Okay, convert above data in tabular format. So depending upon your use case, you can click on that specific segment. Okay. So regional economic outlooks in multiple formats. If I want to see this reference on click of this, so it is giving me reference also because many times it is a matter of discussion that whatever content it is giving, from where it is taking the data, what is reference, what is justification of that. So this one is the justification. If I click on this link, then you can see that from this website it has taken the content and it has paraphrased. After taking the content, it has performed paraphrasing and then it is giving me data. In same way, for example, I want to take data related to e-learning market size. Okay, on click of research. So in research mode, I'm searching for data sets. So you can see Polaris Market Research, Yahoo Finance, e-learning-center.co, e-learning industry, global data set, Statista. So you can see that this one is the data it is taking, and in tabular format also we are getting it. Along with the references, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 citations are also integrated. Okay. This one. This type of data, this type of content is very difficult to extract from ChatGPT. But from here, we are able to get data in tabular format. You can see how much CAGR is there. What about growth projections? In different points, we can extract it. What was historical data and what is prediction? If I want to see its reference, so this one is the reference, global e-market size. This one is a reference. If I want to check it separately, I want to verify it. So open link in new tab. Whether this content is, so you can see this one from this portal. Otherwise, for a human being, how much it is difficult to move to different websites taking data. But here, instantly it is collecting data from multiple portals and it is giving you results. Okay, so you can explore this u.com on any domain, whether you are from pharmacy, medical, engineering, electrical, electronics, or even humanities. For multiple domains, you can use it. So using different models. So I am telling you all of these resources which are freely available. I am also using free variant. I'm not having any paid account. I'm not using any subscription based account. With only free plan, I'm able to use GPT-4, research mode, genius mode, creative mode. Okay, is this clear to all of you? And if you have any query, you can ask. Up to this point, any query in this platform. I think it is easy to use. with more functionalities. Now, dear participants, we are coming to our next segment. However, lots of things available, so lots of other platforms available, but I won't. But depending upon time span, we have to shift to different other topics. Okay, as per the schedule. Lots of other platforms which are given in this portal. Dataverse is there, Semantic Scholar, elicit.org, R3 data. So I will share this presentation to all of you so that you will be able to explore it. Okay. There is one message from Anup ji, Anup sir, publications. Okay. Yes, sir. We have got your message. This message we have understood. We have got, and you are correct. You are 100% correct. So in previous session also we have addressed this point that it's up to us. It's up to our discretion to how much level we have to use it. Okay, but we should know that such things exist, such methodologies exist, and definitely it is our moral duty to pass our messages to our students to work ethically. Okay, but it's up to their own decision, working ethically or working unethically. As far as knowledge is concerned, we should be having knowledge, we should have exposure. After that we have to decide what to do. You might have seen that lots of news we go through in routine, that one security guard shot down their officer. So security guards are given gun, they are provided weapons for security, but many times because of frustration, because of any reason, they go for such type of things. It doesn't mean that we should not train anybody uh, with weapons. We should not give weapons to our security guards, or we should not hire security guards. Lots of agencies give training to security personnel, but many times it happens that security personnel kills their authorities, kill their higher authorities. So there are, so these topics are very very debatic. What to do, what not to do, what to learn, what to skip, and it is a personal decision, but we should know what is going on in our surroundings. Okay, but you are correct. We are not saying that you are not correct. You are 100% correct, and we should take note of it. We should know it, but again and again, I'm saying that point. We should know it. Okay, you are 100% correct, but we should know it. All of us are having knife in kitchen, all of us are having LPG cylinder in kitchen. So LPG cylinder can be used as an explosive, as an alternate to RDX. LPG cylinder can be used to cook food, same cylinder can be used to cook human being. So it's up to our decision, it's up to decision of human being, or that person to whether to cook food or vegetables or other human being. Okay, so I respect your points and you are correct, but my duty is to tell you that these things exist, these things are happening and available in surrounding, and to some extent how to use it. Now, dear participants, we are coming to our next point, that is related to publication and intellectual properties. As all of you are teachers, all of you are researchers, academicians, you might have seen that In general, we have a rich content which we teach in our classrooms. We have some notes. Okay, in general, we call such things as notes. Okay, for example, some teacher, a professor is teaching a particular subject from last 15 to 20 years. Then obviously that professor, that teacher will be having some notes which are repeatedly used with some modifications every year or after some time. And many times we think that why not to publish a book related to our topic, related to our specialization. And in general, it is seen that many times uh, faculty members, teachers contact publishers and they pay for publication of books. However, it should be reverse. Actual practice is that publication house give payment to author. But nowadays, in some applications, in some scenarios, what is happening? Uh, Authors are giving payment to publishers for publication of books. Why? Because in API, CAS, or what you call as appraisal, there are some points. For one book, 2 points. For 5 books, 10 points. In API, in annual appraisal, we have to show some books. And sometimes some unethical practices are followed. Now again, same point is coming: ethical, unethical. There is very thin line between ethics and unethical points. Okay, if somebody is caught, then it is unethical. If somebody is not caught, if other person don't know, in that case it is fine. Okay, but anyway, that is a different matter of debate, getting caught or not. But rather than giving payment to some third party agencies or publication houses, what we can do, if I'm having some notes, for example, in 50-60 pages I'm having some notes, I want to publish its book, I can publish it myself. No need to contact Tata McGraw-Hill, Pearson publication, or Oxford publication. This website, this portal is available for general public. Anybody can take ISBN for their content. So you can simply create account here, applicant registration. It is publicly available. isbn.gov.in with only Aadhaar card and PAN. So you can see application type. For example, I'm having some content in MS Word format or in any other format. I want to publish my book. I want to get benefit of that book from for appraisal or for my own records. Everybody knows that book will be valid only if it is having ISBN. I think everybody knows about it in this session. ISBN, that is International Standard Book Number. If I want to show that this is my book, then it should be having ISBN. In case of journal, it should be having ISSN. In case of research paper, DOI. Okay, many times DOI is available, digital object identifier. Sometimes it is not available, but in case of book, ISBN is mandatory. So ISBN I can take directly from Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education. No need to contact any intermediate. No need to give even a single rupee in free. Without any amount, you can take ISBN of your content. For example, you have solved some previous question papers. You are having some lab manual. You want to take its ISBN. So individual author, individual type, self-published by author. Okay. Required documents, Aadhaar card and PAN card. Okay. And from which country? This. Email ID, name, nothing else. In mobile number, and your account will be created. Okay, so you can see that it is free portal, completely free, self-publisher. If you have some study material, if you have some manual, if you have some solved question paper or anything, simply create account. So this complete process is given. Registration, upload your content. Okay, specify what is your details, what is book of what is name of book, how many pages are there, and within 24 hours you will get book ISBN. ISBN issuance. Within 24 hours, you will get ISBN of your book. Now the question comes, we have we are having content, we have ISBN, but how to publish it? Simply in every location there are some printing presses. Okay, you can go for printing press, or what you can do, you can simply upload it with upload it on Kindle platform, KDP Amazon, and lots of other presses available which are under self-publication mode. Okay, KDP Amazon, self-publishing, and this book will be at par with other publications. For example, there are 2 points for single book. One author has published book from Tata McGraw Hill, and you have published your book from Kindle Direct Publishing with ISBN from Government of India. 2 marks, 2 points will be allocated to each. Nobody can say, no agency can say that we will not accept this ISBN. Who can challenge if ISBN is given by Government of India, Ministry of Education? You can imagine what will happen to that person or that agency who will say that we will not consider this ISBN which you have taken directly. If government has given ISBN, then who else can challenge you? So simply take ISBN. For example, 3 to 4 ISBNs you have taken from this agency, from this portal, and after that upload your content on Kindle Direct Publishing and lots of other publication agencies available. I'm showing you these links, self-publishing open platforms. Okay. So this one, Notion Press, Apple, Presto, Barnes and Nobles. You might have heard this agency, Barnes and Nobles, and it gives you royalty also. In Kindle publishing house, in Kindle publication also royalty is given. Okay. So for example, you want to search for some book on Kindle publishing, for example, Linux. Any subject, so you can see that in this way your book will be published. You can allocate, you can give price of your book to, and so your, as soon as your book will be downloaded, as soon as your book will be uh, read from Amazon, you will be given a royalty. Okay, so all of these are Kindle edition. No need to pay even single rupee. In zero amount, you can take ISBN from this government portal, and in zero amount, you can publish your book on Amazon. For example, you are working on machine learning. This one. Okay, for which book? So in machine learning, you want to see all books. This one. All of these are Kindle edition. And there is no limit on maximum number of ISBNs. Any number of ISBNs you can take. There is no limit. But it is better to take 4 to 5 ISBN per year. Okay, so there is no limit, but it is better to take 3 to 4 ISBN per year. Otherwise, if you will take 20 ISBN or 50 ISBN per year, it will be objectionable. Okay, objectionable means it will not look genuine. by which way we can justify. For example, I show 20 books in 1 year, or 10 books one in 1 year, so it will be difficult to justify. Okay, but if I will show 2 books per year or 3 books per year, I will be able to justify that I have written 2 books. You might have seen nowadays. So now again I'm coming to that particular debating point. Many times it is seen that people publish so many papers, 200 research papers in 1 year, 50 research papers in 1 year. How it is possible? Okay, so publication is a different point that can be done. But what is the justification? Justification will be very, very difficult. So 2 to 3 ISBN simply you can take and you can go for its benefits. Okay, so KDP in Notion Press, all of these are self-publishing platforms. Barnes and Nobles and 100% rights online publication, and as soon as it will be downloaded, it will be used by some other agency, by some other author or reader, you will be given its royalty. Notion Press. So you can directly search for self-publishing platforms. Okay, so all of these are Kindle edition. So if I'm accessing this book, so this one is Kindle edition. So if I will click here buy now, then 20 to 25% royalty of this book will move to the author. In same way, your content will be available here. You can publish. And as far as ISBN is concerned, ISBN can be taken from Amazon Kindle also. Okay, but it is better to take from government agency, from Indian government agency. Otherwise, if you want to take ISBN from Amazon, they will give you in free. Okay, but if we want to get benefits for our appraisals, then it is better to take from DHE, Ministry of Education. And this one is other platform, US based platform. So create print books, photo books, e-books, you can publish and broadcast completely free. Okay, so all of these links I have given in presentation. At end of the next session, I will share this presentation to all of you so that you will be able to explore these links. Yes, you can take a different book, and there is no limit on page numbers. So I'm taking these queries one by one. Can we republish the book? Yes, definitely. If you can republish a book with some new edition, for example, edition 2024, edition 20241 Pro, and after that you can take new ISBN. Okay, or with older ISBN also you can work out. There is no compulsion that you will have to take new ISBN, but it is better to take new ISBN because in that case there will be multiple books in your account. Okay, edition 1, edition 2, and next query, number of pages. No page limit. Even 50 pages book can be created. Okay, even 50, 60 pages book can be published. So no need to worry about that. And there is one query: is it compulsory to check plagiarism if we publish on this platform? Actually, there are multiple distributions, different licenses. One is Creative Commons license and another is copyright. So I will cover that part also in next session. Copyright, Creative Commons, Apache license. So there are different licenses related to the content. We will cover in next session. These are in queue for discussion.
Sir, kindly suggest different sources to extract the data set. As you said, we have a u.com. So when I searched on that, I'm getting the different links of papers from which that particular data is used. But it is difficult to extract that data. So can you
Okay.
suggest any sources?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. That also I will cover in next session at 11:35, 11:30:35. We will continue next session, and then I will cover all of these points I have noted down.